There you go. Yes.
Oh, I told you, I'm a genius.
I know. That was very brilliant.
Wow. What's going on here?
Oh, what's going on here? You see, I was actually telling my friends that I was coming to bring you so we can celebrate the good life, you know?
The good life.
Yeah,
very
you see,
important.
You see, the good book says, he that finds a wife finds a good thing. You see, there's love in sharing.
Don't be scared, man. Come on and join us.
Yeah, I was going to give you this. Just have a sip. I mean, we're trying to celebrate, you know, let's all celebrate together.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.